Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick video and show you how I make my monthly calendars in Microsoft Word. Now you can definitely use the templates that Word has available for your monthly calendars, but I like to create my own because I'm a plain Jane and sometimes it's hard to find monthly calendars, especially the ones you buy that are just plain and they don't have a color scheme. So I think it's fun to make your own and create your own designs. So I want to show you how to do that today. I'm all about scheduling and time management and goal setting, and this is the one of the ways that helps me accomplish all of those things. Right? So starting at the top here, and I'm making mine in portrait. You can most definitely make a 2-page layout. And if you want me to show you that, leave a comment in the description box below, and I'll show you how to make a 2-page layout for your calendar. But I'm going to do 1 page and I'm going to do it in portrait. Also, if you want it in landscape, let me know that in the comments as well, and I'll do that video for you. All right, so I'm going to type January. And if you notice when you're typing a word, a screen tip will pop up and it says press enter to insert. You can just press enter and it will complete that word for you. Right? So now I'm going to press enter. I'm going to go to insert across the top and then table. And there's 7 days in the week, right? So I'm going to go across 7 and I'm going to go down 6. All right. So now I'm just going to type my days of the week, and it's up to you whether you want your days of the week to start on Sunday or Monday. It's up to you. I'm going to do Sunday. And again, you see the word pops up, so I'm just going to press enter and then press my tab key to go to the next section. So I'm going to continue to type my words, days of the week. All right, so I have all of my days of the week here. And now, of course, you want these blocks to be larger than that, right? So I'm just going to click and drag. I'm going to highlight my empty boxes. And I don't know if you noticed this before, but before I didn't have this table tools menu. So if I click away from my table, you see the table tools menu goes away. If that happens, just click in your table again and it comes back. All right, so let me highlight again. Right, and I'm going to go to layout. So be careful, you have a design and layout here, but you want to use the design and layout here in your table tools menu. So go to layout, and then this is your height here, and this is your width. So my height, I'm just going to click until it's about 1.5, so 1.5. Right, so now I have my calendar. And if you want to, you can click down here at the bottom of the calendar and type notes. And you can put a few lines there by holding down your shift key and your dash key. Now you see my lines went to the next page. I'm going to fix that. Right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click by notes. I'm going to go to layout and my spacing after. I'm going to change that to 0. There we go. All right, so what I did, I clicked by notes, I changed my spacing after to 0, and then I clicked above notes and I changed it to 0 again. And I brought notes back up 1 space. So I backspaced it up 1 space and my lines are back here at the bottom. right? Now, if you want more than 3 lines, all you have to do is highlight your table again, just your table, and you can make your table, go back to layout, and you can make your table maybe 1.4 or 1.3, and you can add more lines here at the bottom. Or if you don't want any notes at all, that is fine also. All right. So now we just need to add our numbers, right? Before I do that, let me kind of spruce this up. So I can do bold and italic, and I can change my size to maybe 20, just to make it a little bit bigger. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that again. You can put it on the opposite side of the page. So instead of having it at the left margin, you can have it at the right margin. So you would come here in the paragraph group and click your right align button. And then I do January 2021, right? So it just depends on you, which side you like it, or you can center it, January 2021, all right? So now let's add our numbers. So I don't want my numbers on the left side of the box. I want them on the right side of the box. But let's highlight our table again, right? Just our table. We're going to come up here again to our right align button and press that button, right? And January 2021 starts on a Friday. So you see now that I've clicked in this box, my cursor is right aligned. So now all I have to do is add my numbers. All right, you see we're at the bottom of our calendar. So and January has 31 days. So what you can do, you can click here in 24 and do a slash and do 31. Or you can add another row here. I don't know if you want to do that. I'm fine with just having it here, and I can kind of split my section here to use it for the 24th and the 31st. All right. So your monthly calendar is made, and you have a section here for notes. Right, so in order to go ahead and make your next one, your February, you can click Insert and then Page Break, and it will insert a new page for you. You can go February. I know that's small. I'll make it bigger in a second. February, press Enter. Come back over here. You see this little box here that highlights? You click that, it highlights your entire table. You can go back to Home and press Copy. Click where under your February and press Paste. All right, and all you have to do is just change your numbers here. So you can highlight everything. Hit delete, and February starts on a Monday. So, right, you get the gist there. And you can also add your bold and italic and change the size to 20, I think. February 21, and center it. And you can do that for the rest of your months. And you can print this out and you have your 12-month calendar. Right? So I left my margins at 1 inch because I'm going to put holes over on the side, and I want to make sure that I have enough room for my holes. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you make a monthly calendar in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions for me, place them in the description box below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. All right, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.